Alright, this video is going to probably be one of the shorter ones. This is going to describe the theory of operation, so to speak, on how this works. Obviously you've got your additive in this tank that we need to get into the transport fuel stream. The controller I'll go over later, but this is the additive source. We've got the suction line, a filter, and then all of the working stuff is in here, which I have trouble getting this off. No, I've really done it. Okay. Right after the filter we have the pump. The pump is a stainless steel magnetically coupled motor pump. So there's no seals that can go bad between the motor itself and the pump. It's got magnets. After that is the meter, which is an oval gear positive displacement meter. The gears are stainless steel. The body of the meter is aluminum. From that we get a read pulse action that lets us count the additive. The chamber is very small. We get nearly 8,000 pulses per gallon, somewhere between 7,500 and 7,800 pulses per gallon, so very precise. From there the additive goes to this distribution rail. This distribution rail allows us to spread it out to the 4 injection points. We also have the calibration point there to do the calibration. You just hook your calibration hose on. But each of these valves is hooked into the controller and designated as valve 1, 2, 3, or 4. So when you're doing a delivery, you will tell the controller how much you're dropping. The controller knows the rate that you drop, and it knows the correct treat rate. And so it will run this pump and open the correct valve and do squirts. You can, on each pump module, drop into 2 compartments at the same time. So it will basically run the pump, do a squirt out of whatever valve is correct, and then stop and squirt it out of another valve. So you can do, with 2 pump modules, you can do 4 drops simultaneously. And then from here you've got tubing to the injection point. So that's basically how it works. We vary the speed on this pump using a pulse width modulation. The pump has positive 12 to it all the time, and we pulsate the ground to speed it up or slow it down. When the valves are shut, waiting for the next squirt, the pump will idle down to just barely spinning at all, so we don't over pressurize anything. And then when the valve opens, the pump will go to a higher throttle. That's it. Shouldn't be much trouble. There's not much to go wrong. That's it.